In the name of who, good evening. Today is Tuesday time in Sydney, Australia. Right now is 9 minutes past 9 p.m. 23rd of July 2024. To be honest, I didn't know that I'm going to make 5 videos for this Euro USD, but everything we have said on 17th of the July so far to up to today, which is 23rd of July, as you can see, time and date here, this is live. He came true. That's why I'm making the part 5 now, and to show you what's going on. Let me go to the chart. Before I go to the chart, pause the video and read this, and then I explain to you guys about Euro USD again. So if you're following our channel, in part 1 I mentioned that Euro USD is for sale. If you look at the screenshot that I did on 17th of July, you can see the date here. You see my mouse. You see the date when the market was right high up, and everybody thought, market is heading up and is for buy. But the software we have, it gave us this indication that market is going to fail and it's going to go down. That's why I start making those videos for you guys. And I said to you guys, market is heading to those level. Eventually market has to come to this level of these two green 1.08614, and everything I explain on those videos. If you want, please watch them. If you are not interested, so go away please, and don't waste your time, because I don't want to repeat again and again the same thing I have said. But it's all up to you. If you want to learn, you have to watch those videos. As I have mentioned before, we are not signal company. Don't get us wrong. We are not trying to sell any software to you. We are not asking you for email, membership payment, or telephone number, or credit card number, nothing. All is all up to you. If you want to learn, you have to watch those videos, and then you do it on your demo account, and if you feel confident, you do it with your real account. Is all up to you. We are not responsible for your action or gain or loss. Okay, I'm going to explain to you now on chart. On part 3, I said Monday, which was yesterday, I said when market open is going to hit that level. You can watch part 4. I have said that, and I said eventually market has to come, the price has to come past these two green line. Okay, if you don't believe me what I have said, because everything is recorded here, I'm going to reply this one and show you. I just reply, please watch and listen. As soon as market come back and pass this level, and then there is opportunity for us to buy again. As I mentioned, look, I just reply again just to see. I said on Monday price is going to go up, hit that level on part 3, and then it's going to come down, because I gave you this one 3 days ago, those level. As soon as market come back and pass this level, and then there is opportunity for us to buy again to this level, which is 1.08614, and if price keep continue going to this area of the selling zone, if we miss this trade, then we can sell it to this level. Okay, did you hear what I have said? So I go to the chart now. This one, look at the time and date, 19th of July. All right, nobody, I'm not saying nobody, but there is not many people, they do, and they show you the live chart. What they do cherry pick. They go to the past and they find those pattern which is suit, and then they come and they're telling you that if this happening, blah blah blah. There are not many people like us to make the video well in advance and show you the level and show you the direction where market is heading. and then we make the second video. If we were not confident, we wouldn't do that. We make video in advance and telling you and give you the level and give you the signal, give you the stop loss and everything, and then we make part 2, part 3, and now I make part 5. So stop talking, I have to go to the chart and show you this. So market went and hit that level, and then I said eventually market is going to come down and pass these 2 green line which I gave you on 17th of July. You see this one? These are the location, these are the direction, and these are the price and everything. Okay, now look what happened now. Now time is 9:15. This is live chart, okay, and live account. As I have predicted, as soon as market passed this 2 green line, it went back, hit that level. That level I gave you on 17 is our TP1. Then the second one would be TP2. I mentioned if we miss this trade, which already we did, why I did not enter the trade, because I did not have any signal. Our software sometimes is missed out because too many data going through the chart, okay, and I did not have any signal here to enter the trade. But the prediction was correct, because we said as soon as market passed this 2 green line, it would go back and hit that level of TP1. Now, as I mentioned again, now price is above this 2 green line, which is coming to our selling zone, okay. And now in this area, if I get signal, red signal like this one, in this area there is an opportunity for us to sell only to this level. Okay, this level of TP2 is 1.08637, okay, and price is right now above and is in our selling zone, okay. If I get the signal, red signal in this area, we can sell it. I'm not going to do that. Why I'm not going to enter the trade? First is this. I am going to give you news. I am actually involved, and I'm thinking to make another social media channel in Persian language. I'm trying to help my people back home, whoever are interested, to learn this business. Hopefully if they learn, and then they can make it as a part-time job for themselves. But I talk to many people about the way I talk and share my experience about how analyzing the chart. Unfortunately, many people, they told me they don't know what I'm talking about, because they have no knowledge of how to analyze the chart and understanding about the chart and reading all those candlesticks. Every single candlestick has got the story behind. You cannot ignore any of them. So, but when you're looking at the chart for many years, eventually you find and you learn the alphabet of those movements, and then you realize when is good time to enter to trade. Not always. I'm not saying 100%, because there are sometimes red news. There are sometimes something that you miss and you're going to lose. Of course, any business, you have expense. If you have shop, then you have expense for rent. You have expense for paying the wages. So losing in the market, Forex market, is expense. But it doesn't mean that you cannot do it. Anyone can do it. But you have to minimize your risk. You have to minimize your loss. But if you do something and you enter to trade and you hit the stop loss, it doesn't really matter. Put it as your loss, but you have to have money management. For example, if you have $1,000 in your account for Forex, what you can do, 1% or maximum 2% of that account you trade. You're not going to go for 10% or 20% off, because you're going to wipe up, because you have to have big account and not use the leverage. But if you don't have big money, don't be greedy. Just use only 1% or 2% of your account with a stop loss. Okay, sorry, I didn't want to talk like this, but anyway, hopefully, because I'm making video now for in Persian language, and I'm not gonna babysitting the chart. But again, if price coming in this area and we get a signal, we can select this. And if happen, you check it yourself. I'm not gonna make part 6 because it's gonna be boring. I have said enough about this since 17th of July, and whatever I have said, it came true. Thanks God. You can see this is the screenshot. Everything I predict came true, and this is the last one. Hopefully it would come true too. If it doesn't come true, I don't care. It not means that 100% I'm correct. You can be making mistake. Maybe now some red news would come up and then market goes jumping up and down. I have to check the red news and everything, which I don't have time now because I'm not going to do the trading. But I did the trade in front of you. With this, you can see it. This is my trade. Live account, live chart, and I show you before. So in the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. Thanks God, Yahoo, whatever we said, it came true. If I decide to make any other video, hopefully it's not going to be on Euro USD anymore. I would concentrate on crypto, Bitcoin, because I believe there is some movement and good level for the Bitcoin. But this is after I make those videos in Persian language and introducing that new channel for my people back home. Hopefully. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.